The compassion of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. Once, during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, an elderly woman would throw garbage on him whenever he walked past her house. Despite her actions, the Prophet never showed anger or resentment. Instead, he remained patient and continued on his way. One day, as the Prophet walked by, no garbage was thrown on him. Concerned for the woman's well-being, he knocked on her door to check on her. The woman was astonished by his kindness, especially after how she had treated him. She admitted she was unwell. The Prophet offered his help and took care of her needs until she recovered. Touched by his compassion and humility, the woman realized the beauty of his character and eventually embraced Islam. This story highlights the importance of kindness, patience, and showing compassion, even to those who may wrong us. It is a timeless lesson in maintaining dignity and spreading goodness.